Welcome viewer.
It's COS9.
This video tutorial describes Windows 10 desktop icons missing fix. First method is right-click desktop, click view, check show desktop icons. Second method is right-click taskbar, click task manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click Tablet mode, use desktop mode, also select Don't Ask Me and Don't Switch. Fourth method is right-click desktop, click personalize. Click themes, click desktop icon settings. Select all desktop icons. Fifth method is open File Explorer. Click View, click Options. Click Show Hidden Files, Folders and Others, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local of data %. Delete icon cache file and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.